a lot of work with social media and taking pictures, and it's kind of a pain, right? Like when I was younger and I was 16 years old, there would be people who I like take a picture like this, or my friends take a picture like this, and then we make fun of each other, you know, like, oh, you're stupid, you know, like, why are you trying to be cool, right? So that's how I feel nowadays, right? And so like, if I'm like this, right, I always think of my wife behind me because she's a great woman and she's like doing this look, right? And the quote from, I'm not sure who said it. They said, behind every successful man, there's a great woman rolling her eyes. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. But in this day, behind great man can be great man as well.
Krabum, absolutely, absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. We'll just change man to person, right? Man to person. It's all good, right? Okay.